This tutorial will walk you through how to set up different company information for each of your different sites that are sharing the same database. Firstly, go to VPCart Administration, Advanced Settings, Software Configuration, from the top menu. In the search box, type in xsite_share company, and click search icon. By default, it will be yes, which means all sites with single database share same mycompany info. Select no from drop-down, which means all sites with single database will use their own company info. Click Continue button. Now go to VPCart Administration, Advanced Settings, Software Configuration, Business Details, and update the company information. The shopcustcontact.asp page will be displaying the company information. Repeat the same steps for other stores, which is sharing the same database. Thank you for watching this VPCart 9 tutorial.